Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, we will learn how to install Google Analytics in WordPress site using Google Tag Manager. First of all, we will go to Google Tag Manager and will create account. I am going to create account for this site. Create account, place account name, here you can select your country, place URL, select web, create, click on yes. Here container ID is created. Now we will go to WordPress admin and we will install a plugin. Add new plugin, search for Google Tag Manager. You can use this plugin, install, activate, plugin is installed. Now we will go to setting, Google Tag Manager, click on it. We will put container ID here. Go to Google Tag Manager and this is the container ID, copy it and paste it here, and don't forget to select this one, save changes. Now we will go to Google Analytics and we will create account for this site. And when I am going to create property, property name jaykant.com demo. If you don't want to use Google Analytics for property, you can use Universal Analytics property. For that, you need to click on show advanced option and need to check this button. And if you don't, here is option, you can create both property, but here I am going to create Universal Analytics property only. Put URL here, place site URL, next, you can check these options according to your goal. Create, now tracking ID is created. Now we will go to Google Tag Manager, click on new, put the name GA tracking ID, select utilities constant, copy this tracking ID and place it here, save. Now go to tag, I am putting here GA view. You can put whatever you want. We will select Universal Analytics, click on this setting, select here GA tracking ID, fire this tag on all the pages, save. Now submit it. Now we have installed Google Analytics in Google Tag Manager. We will check real time that it is working or not. Refresh the site and check it here. It is working. Thanks for watching.